Imagine stepping into a magical world where animals transform into master chefs, whipping up gourmet dishes in cozy, rustic kitchens. Picture a lion expertly garnishing a dish, a raccoon flipping pancakes with flair, or a squirrel meticulously plating a dessert. Now imagine these scenes brought to life with vibrant realism, not by Hollywood special effects or expensive studio setups, but with the power of free AI tools. This isn't just fantasy, it's a reality for one TikTok creator who has taken the internet by storm. With only 26 videos uploaded, every single one has gone viral, racking up millions of views. The same content reposted on Instagram has drawn nearly 58,000 followers from just 26 posts. Beyond the massive engagement, this creator has also built a successful store, selling digital products tied to their brand. It's a perfect example of how creative content combined with AI tools can open doors to substantial income opportunities. Why is this content so popular? The creator has tapped into a unique niche, whimsical, imaginative storytelling that resonates across all age groups. Their content falls into two categories: animals cooking and animals driving. Both themes are quirky, visually engaging, and immensely shareable. The videos captivate audiences with their lifelike animations, blending fantasy with everyday humor in a way that feels fresh and entertaining. How can you replicate this success? You don't need an advanced setup or technical expertise to create similar viral content. In this detailed guide, I'll walk you through every step, from generating high-quality images to turning them into engaging videos, all using free or affordable AI tools. By the end, you'll not only know how to make these videos, but also how to monetize your creativity effectively. Step 1. Crafting the perfect prompts. The magic begins with well-thought-out prompts. A strong prompt is essential for AI tools to generate the exact images you envision. ChatGPT is a fantastic tool for this purpose. I started by providing ChatGPT with clear, detailed instructions to create prompts tailored to each theme. For example, for the cooking animals, I described scenarios like a panda cooking sushi in a rustic kitchen with soft lighting, or a fox preparing a gourmet salad in a cozy cottage kitchen. You can find the complete set of prompts in the comments section to practice generating your own. Once ChatGPT generated the prompts, I categorized them into two themes: animals cooking and animals driving. With these prompts ready, it was time to move on to image creation. Step 2. Generating images with AI. To create the visuals, I use Leonardo AI to generate text to image, or you can use Ideogram AI to generate images. Both are free and deliver incredible results. Here's how to get started. Search Leonardo AI WW website. Log in with Google account or some ways like that. Leonardo AI offers 150 free credits daily for a free account, and you can generate multiple accounts if needed. It's also have some plans here. You could always choose to upgrade or downgrade to a more suitable plan for your needs. Upgrade will apply immediately, and downgrade will apply once your billing cycle ends. Go to the dashboard, click on the Image Generation tab, and carefully review the settings. Choose Legacy Mode to adjust the settings suite to the image. Select the 9:16 aspect ratio, ideal for platforms like TikTok and Instagram. Paste the prompt, choose number of images, click Generate, and let the AI create 4 variations of the image. Each generation costs 3 credits, but the results are highly realistic. If you're not satisfied, regenerate until you achieve the perfect outcome. Generating diverse images. Start with prompts for cooking animals, then move to prompts for driving animals. For each scenario, choose the most visually appealing images to download. This process can be repeated as often as necessary until you have a solid library of images. Step 3. Bringing images to life. Static images are engaging, but videos are what truly capture attention. To animate the images, I use 2 of the best image-to-video AI tools available: Hailuo AI and Runway ML. Using Hailuo AI. Hailuo AI provides 1,100 free credits for new users and 100 credits daily. Log in, choose the image-to-video option, and import your selected images. Add keywords to guide the AI in generating the video. For instance, phrases like smooth camera motion, playful theme, or whimsical animation can shape the output. Submit up to 3 images at a time, making it easy to batch process your content. Runway ML for professional animation. Runway ML is ideal for creating smooth, short animations. Log in, scroll to the generative session section, and upload your images. Add prompts, adjust camera motion, and click Generate. Each video takes just a few seconds to process and can be downloaded immediately. Both tools deliver fantastic results, and by experimenting with settings, you can create animations that feel cinematic and unique. Step 4. Editing for maximum impact. Once the videos were generated, it was time to refine them. For editing, I use CapCut, a free and user-friendly video editor. Here's the process. Importing videos. Load all the generated clips into CapCut's timeline. Start with one theme, such as animals driving, and then move to the next. Enhancing visual appeal. Zoom in on each clip to highlight key details, like the animal's expressions. Add transitions between clips to make the flow seamless and engaging. Overlap relevant text for context, such as captions or quirky titles. Adding background music. I use the YouTube Studio Music Library, which offers thousands of copyright-free tracks. Select a track that matches the theme's vibe, playful for animals driving and warm for animals cooking. Import the track, trim it to fit the video length, and adjust the volume for a polished final touch. Step 5. Monetizing your content. With high-quality videos ready, it's time to share them and monetize your efforts. Start by uploading your content to TikTok and Instagram, and build your audience by engaging with viewers. Once you have consistent engagement, consider linking a store to sell digital products like ebooks, templates, or artwork inspired by your videos. The TikTok creator I mentioned earlier is a shining example of how viral content can lead to a profitable business. With just 26 posts, they've built a following and created a steady income stream from their digital product sales. Final thoughts. Creating magical viral videos featuring animals as chefs or drivers doesn't require expensive tools or prior experience. By leveraging free AI tools like ChatGPT, Ideogram, Leonardo AI, Hailuo AI, and Runway ML, you can bring your imagination to life and carve out a unique niche in the world of online content.